Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make your iPhone flash when getting a call or text. If you are using an iPhone and you want to make your iPhone flash when you are get a call or a message, so let's see how can you do that. So there's a simple way. You have to open your settings here, then go for accessibility here, and then select visual and audio section or audio and visual option here, and you'll find the option of LED flash or alerts. Select that. Now you have to simply enable this, and once you have enabled, now whenever you get a call or any message, your flash will blink or you will get LED flash on your alerts on the call. So in this way you can easily enable your iPhone flash on getting a call or message. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.